Hi everybody, I'm Susan Finch and I'm a member of the Silicon Forest Toastmasters group. That's easy, the people. I felt welcomed, I felt inspired, I laughed, and I learned from the very first meeting. And I knew this was a great place for me to be. And I wanted to do all that I could to commit to showing up every week because I gained so much from it. And I hope that I also am able to give back to the other members that are in there because they give me so much. And that's feedback. I have learned how to not only give good feedback, but to be kind, encouraging, constructive, and very organized in the feedback that I give. And that has helped me with my clients. It's even helped me at home with my children and my husband. So there are many things you can gain from Toastmasters. You will also lose crutch words such as so, and, so, like, join us. Consider it. Stop by for a meeting. Doesn't cost you anything. Just a little bit of time. We would love to have you join us because I want you to meet all my friends and all the people that I rely on to tell me the truth and who want me to do better at speaking. Thanks so much.